Okay, hello everyone. Here I want to provide a tutorial on how to add payment method on Amazon on an Android device. Okay, let's go to the tutorial. First thing first, you can open the app like this. Okay, and then here you can select profile icon, and then press on your account. Okay, and then you can scroll down, and then you can select one-click settings. And then here you can press on select payment method. And then click on add a credit or debit card. Okay, after that here you can enter your debit card information. Well, and then click add and continue. Okay, that's the tutorial on how to add payment method on Amazon on an Android device. If you are helped by this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to get other information from this channel. Thank you.